Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English speaking course. This is fourth class of our course, and today we will show you how to have a conversation in English. You can see two people are having a conversation in English. You have to learn it and keep practicing English so that your speaking skills can improve. So let's go. We have two people, Mr. A and Mr. B. They are talking. Mr. A said,
"You've watched that movie 3 times. You watched that movie 3 times.
B is answering.
I know I'm crazy about that movie. I know I'm crazy about that movie.
Number 2.
Why are you listening to her songs? Why are you listening to her songs?
Because I'm crazy about her songs. Because I'm crazy about her songs.
Number 3.
You travel a lot, don't you? You travel a lot, don't you?
Yeah, I'm crazy about exploring new cities. Yeah, I'm crazy about exploring new cities. Yeah, I'm crazy about exploring new cities.
Number 4.
You're baking again? You're baking again?
Yeah, I'm crazy about making cupcakes. Yeah, I'm crazy about making cupcakes.
The next structure is about I can't stand. Number 1.
Why do you look so annoyed? Why do you look so annoyed?
I can't stand people talking loudly in public. I can't stand people talking loudly in public.
Number 2.
Do you watch horror movies? Do you watch horror movies?
No way. I can't stand watching scary scenes. No way. I can't stand watching scary scenes.
Number 3.
Why don't you take the bus? Why don't you take the bus?
I can't stand waiting in long queues. I can't stand waiting in long queues.
Number 4.
You didn't eat pizza? You didn't eat pizza?
I can't stand cold food. I can't stand cold food.
Number 5.
Why did you leave the party early? Why did you leave the party early?
I can't stand loud music for too long. I can't stand loud music for too long.
Now move to the next structure.
Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee?
I'm not a big fan of coffee. I prefer tea. I'm not a big fan of coffee. I prefer tea.
Number 2.
Do you like romantic movies? Do you like romantic movies?
I am not a big fan of watching them, honestly. I am not a big fan of watching them, honestly.
Number 3.
You didn't finish your burger. You didn't finish your burger.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of fast food. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of fast food.
Number 4.
Do you enjoy camping? Do you enjoy camping?
Not really. I'm not a big fan of sleeping in tents. Not really. I'm not a big fan of sleeping in tents.
Number 5.
How about going shopping tomorrow? How about going shopping tomorrow?
I'm not a big fan of crowded places. I'm not a big fan of crowded places.
Next structure is about I can't help plus ing form. Number 1.
You're smiling again. What's funny? You're smiling again. What's funny?
I can't help laughing when I think of that doll. I can't help laughing when I think of that doll.
Number 3.
You still miss your old home? You still miss your old home?
Yeah, I can't help thinking about it sometimes. Yeah, I can't help thinking about it sometimes.
Number 4.
Why do you look so worried? Why do you look so worried?
I can't help feeling anxious before interviews.
I can't help feeling anxious before interviews.
I can't help feeling anxious before interviews.
Number 5.
You always buy more books. You always buy more books.
I can't help collecting them. I just love reading. I can't help collecting them. I just love reading.
So viewers, This is our English speaking conversation video. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz.